Building professional bots with Crafter.ai is a breeze. Let's see together how a bot can support your presale effort. The bot helps your customers finding information, calculating a quotation, and support them in the process of subscribing a contract. Customers can use their voice to speak directly to the bot. "Hi, I'd like to make a quotation." "No, I haven't calculated it." "Not right now." At any time, the user can request to be transferred to a call center agent. With less resources, you handle your customers' requests better. Your bot is always up to date and also helps call center agents to choose the right answer for your customers. Creating a bot like this has never been easier. It only takes a few steps and your bot is ready. Give your bot a name. Tell him what to learn. Add new behaviors to your bot. Give it the time to learn. Test your bot. Upload it to your site. We know how important data is to take the right decisions. This is the reason why Crafter.ai allows you to analyze data on a dedicated dashboard and by downloading them to use them with your favorite software. Crafter.ai, artificial intelligence, has never been easier.